Sunshine. So today we're going to be unboxing the Celebrate Mamas box. This is a $30 a monthly subscription box that is focused around motherly themed items and like items to help get you through the tough parenting times. That sentence was a little difficult to get out. I am not a mother, but I do have a lot of friends that are my age that are having kids or are having more kids, and I know a lot of my subscribers are mothers, so I thought that this would be a really interesting box to show you guys. So with that said, let's get into it. I'm really excited to see what's on the inside of this box. It is very difficult to open. Oh my goodness. Okay, I got it open. So here's what the inside of the box looks like. It says, "Hi mamas, this month's box is all about summer and taking care of yourself. We have fun 4th of July fashion items, including an infinite..." Ooh, it's telling us what's on the inside. I don't want to know. I hope, oh, so much more. I just read everything that's on the inside of the box. Okay, we will go through and read that again. So the first thing, well actually I want to show you guys what's on the inside of the box before I go unboxing. But this is what the box, oh, I just dropped something. This is what the box looks like. Let me go pick that up and then we can start unboxing. So the first thing that I pulled out, which is what I accidentally dropped, is this nail polish remover, acetone-free, lemon scented. Girl, we all know, if you've been on my channel and you've seen my unboxing for a little while, you'll see that all of my nails are always painted white. Do you want to know why? Because I'm lazy. I literally always screw up my nails. I've never ever gotten my nails professionally done. I've never like had my nails done ever. So we've always painted them at home. And I, ever since as a child, cannot keep my nails I can't keep myself still long enough to not screw up my nails. And so my nails are always screwed up. Like, even though I use like Insta-Dry nail polish, you guys can see that I still have somehow managed to smudge my nail polish. So now that I'm older, I only ever use Insta-Dry nail polish because that's the one that I have the least amount of chances of screwing up. However, I don't ever take off my nail polish. So literally when my nails start chipping, I just put more white paint on top of it, just to like keep my nails like painted. And you can't really see unless you look super close that I have like layers upon layers of white nail polish underneath. And that's the story of how I am exceptionally lazy, even though I have no excuse to be. Like, I'm not a mother. Here we are, full circle back. We have this nail polish remover, acetone free, lemon scented, 32 pads. Let's see if it's actually not acetone scented, lemon scented. Okay, so we're opening it up. That smells so, it smells like lemonade. I want to drink this, even though that would be very harmful to my body. So here are all the pads. I just dumped that out, if you guys could see. So we got some nail polish remover, and I love it. It's making me so thirsty. I love the scent of this stuff. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that's a really interesting thing. So the next thing that I'm pulling out is this Celebrate Mama's Merit Badges. It says, "Celebrate the little wins in your life. We all know that chores never stop, but if you count up the amount over time, you have conquered a mountain of laundry." Conquered Mount Washmore. That's so funny. Oh my gosh. I feel that way with doing my own laundry. It's a magnet. Okay, so we got a magnet in here. I thought this was going to be a pin, but it's a magnet. That's so cute, and I love how it looks like hand-drawn and not like printed and boring. No, it's interesting because it's like, looks like it was drawn with crayons. Okay. I feel that way about my own laundry. Taking care of myself is such a big responsibility. I don't even know how some of you guys manage to take care of one kid, let alone more than one kid, and yourself. It blows my mind. I have so much respect for you guys. So the next thing that I'm pulling out is this. What is this? I know what this is. It's a 7-way buffer. Ooh, it's a nice nail file. Ooh. I love the colors of it. Fast forward the next 5 seconds because I'm going to complain. So if you don't want to hear me complain, fast forward. Why would you wrap something in that plastic packaging and then wrap it again in plastic? Do you know how wasteful that is? You're killing our planet. Please stop. Okay, so I got this really bright and colorful nail polish file board. It's called an emery board, isn't it? I think that's what people normally call these. I just call these nail files, but it's the big fluffy cushion one. So we got step 1 says coarse grit to shape nail. Step 2 is medium grit to shape nail. Side 3, fine grit to neaten edges of nail. Side 4, even out. Side 5, smooth nail. Side 6, shine nail. Side 6, buff nail. Side 7, shine nail. So I've never seen a board like this that is so bright and colorful, and I absolutely love how bright and colorful this one is. Yes, boo. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this super fun American flag. Well, it's actually just really the stars on the American flag. red, white, and blue infinity scarf. Let's see what it looks like on. Hopefully my earrings don't eat it. I wanted to like try and expand my earring collection, and so I went on AliExpress and I ordered more earrings, and literally I did not count on these earrings being big enough to like, dolphins could literally jump through these and do tricks. Take me to SeaWorld and they will pull me out of the crowd just so the animals can do tricks through my earrings. That is right, kids. I will be the main attraction next year at SeaWorld because of the size of my earrings. Oh my gosh, this is cute. I've never actually owned an infinity scarf that has the tassels, and tassels are so fun. Hold on. Boom. Tassels are so fun. This is actually really cute. I'm not really big into too much like super pattern stuff when it comes to like infinity scarves. I'm not a huge fan of infinity scarves, but this is actually cute, and it's lightweight. It's not heavy like a winter scarf would be. This is lightweight and fun. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this giant thingy. It says, but first coffee. Is it notes? Is it a notepad? Maybe for grocery list? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to see it. And maybe it's coffee scented. It is not coffee scented. Oh, I already freaking messed up the first page. Of course, leave it to me to bend. Of course I did that. Of course. Okay, so first, well, not first, but now whatever number we're on, we have this but first coffee notepad. I guess this would be really fun to like write grocery list on. I don't know. The breeze feels really nice. It's getting a little warm in here with my bright light on and the infinity scarf. But this is nice and big. Here is my hand for comparison, because I feel like after one day when I die and my YouTube videos are left up forever for the world to see for however long the world lives, my hand will eventually become a size comparison. You know, you have foot, inches, Elizabeth's hand. Like, that's just how the world and measurements will work. So here we have a notebook with alongside my hand. So in case you were wondering how big this is. But yeah, I mean, that's really cool. I really love this scarf. I don't know, I'm digging this scarf. Like, hey girl. Hey. No, I can't come over. I'm busy looking at my scarf. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this thingy. I've always wanted to try one of these. Okay, so this is the Buggables Mosquito Repellent Band. Reusable for up to 7 days. 1 DEET-free band. Why does it say DEET? What does this word mean? What does that mean? Okay, it says DEET-free. What the heckin' does that mean? What? This product has not been registered by the United States Environmental Protection Agency. PIC Corporation represents that the product qualifies for exemption from registration in the Federal Insecticide, Fungicide, and Rodenticide Act. Okay, but why won't you tell me what DEET means? Okay, I am so excited to try these. I always see this in Walmart and I'm always like, yeah, I need one of these. And then somehow I just never put them in my cart, so I'm so excited to see if these actually work. The last thing that I'm pulling out are a set of earrings from Bobble Bar. It's a little dirty right here. I don't know why. It just came in the package like that. Isn't Bobble Bar like kind of expensive? Every time I wear earrings on my channel, I always end up taking them out because I always get a subscription box that has earrings. So that just lets me know that I need to wear more earrings, because that means I'll get more earrings in my subscription box. Okay. I feel like Bobble Bar was like a thing a couple years ago and they were really famous, and now they're like not so famous anymore. I don't know, but these are cute. So they're gold and oh my god, they're so spinny. Girl, oh my god, I'm gonna break these because look how spinny they are. Like, look how fun that is. Okay, okay, wait, I'm gonna break them. I have to show you guys what they look like first. Okay. So this is what they look like. Now I can get back to playing. So these are delicate. They're fun. They're Sugar Fix by Bubble Bar. Yeah, wasn't Bubble Bar a thing like a couple years ago? I keep saying that and I'm like, I don't know. Maybe I'm just making up things in my mind. I don't know. Here's what the earrings look like. Ooh, what do you guys think? Oh, they don't spin on my ear. That's not fun. But here's what they look like. Aren't they cute? I think they're kind of cute. I think it's kind of like strange how they stick out. It's like my ears don't fit them. I don't know. It's kind of like, I feel like my hair's gonna get caught on them. I feel like it's gonna turn into a real hot mess for me in a couple seconds. But I like them. I think they're cute. They're dainty, but they have a little bit of flashiness. They're like, hacha, kind of a little bit, you know, like when Lightning Queen does the kachiga thing, but he says it in a whisper. So like, kachiga. You know, that's how these earrings make me feel, is kachiga. I had coffee, so this video is probably a hot mess. Okay, so let's get into everything that I got in this box. Okay, now that we have unboxed this box, we can read this little sheet. So it says, this month's box is all about summer and taking care of yourself. We have fun 4th of July fashion items, including an infinity scarf, some firework earrings. Oh, wait. No, that doesn't make much sense to me. These don't really remind me too much of fireworks. They remind me more of like a Ferris wheel. What do you guys think? Do they remind you of a firework? Maybe I'm just missing out on the creative juices. Okay, and a bug repellent band for outdoor parties. I hope you like your Mama Merit Badge of the Month, which is this thingy, the Concord Mount Washmore, the notepad, the emery board, and the nail polish remover pads. Have a great month. Thank you for subscribing to our Celebrate Mamas box. So I have to say, for $30, again, I just feel like these boxes are a little overpriced, but at the same point, and I know somebody's gonna say something, I know somebody's gonna be like, girl, you keep saying that, but I feel like these boxes are just a tad bit overpriced, but at the same point, I also understand that because like, they're small businesses, so they need to charge more in order to be able to like, have more variety and to cover the cost of running a small business. So basically, for $30, we got a notepad that has coffee on it, this super fun bug repellent band, nail polish remover pads, this cute Concord Mount Washmore magnet, a nail file, an infinity scarf, and some firework earrings from Bobble Bar. Now, I mean, I don't know really what I would be. I mean, for $30 a month, I feel like I would be more comfortable between 15 and 20 because I feel like these 3 things I could get at the dollar store. I know I've seen this at Walmart, and I know it's not more than $5. I feel like I could get this at Five Below. The only thing that I'm like questioning the pricing on is the earrings from Bobble Bar, but I mean, I have no idea if they're like actual real gold or if they're just nickel plated or like what's the deal with the earrings. So, okay. My complaints about this box are I wish that there was a little card that like told me everything that was inside the box and the value of it. I feel like you know how BoxyCharm does it? I feel like that really helps me understand the box so much more. So I wish that there was either like a retail value, like what this all actually cost, or a card that's like, hey, this is what you got in your box. This is like what you can do with it. This is like a little explanation of it, and this is the price of it. So that would have been really, really helpful. I also feel like this box is like it's a little bit overpriced, but I can counteract that statement by saying, hey, they're a small business. Of course things are going to be a little bit more expensive. My favorite thing in this box, I have to say, I don't know. I feel like I'm really most excited about this. I think this is cute. I think the earrings are cute. There's nothing in here that I hate or I'm like, what the heck? Why would you put that in there? Like, I'm excited about each individual item, actually. Like, I feel like each thing has got me a little, like, you know, perky feeling. So, like, I don't know. I feel like everything's cool. Everything's got me a little exciting feeling, but I do feel like the $30 is a little bit too much. What did you guys think of this Celebrate Mamas box? What was your favorite item? What's some items you'd like to see in this box? What was your overall opinion of this box? I'd love to hear from you all in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.